Multiple streams of income. You love it. I love it. It's a great idea and it works. And a lot of wealthy people actually promote multiple streams of income. Well, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about, if you're in the online world, how this can actually be a massive distraction if you're not careful. So stick around. All right, well, welcome to my channel. My name is Mark Harbert, and if this is the first time that you are on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell because I put out videos on a regular basis, and I want to make sure that you get access to them. All right, so let's talk about multiple streams of income. I love the concept, and it is a beautiful concept if you're looking to build wealth, if you're looking to build a business that really brings in multiple streams of income to you, and that really benefit the overall business as a whole. However, you have to be very careful on how you build multiple streams of income. So I work with a lot of home business owners, mainly network marketers, affiliate marketers, and quite a few actually brick and mortar businesses. But here's the thing. When you want to build multiple streams of income, the one type of income that you really want to, or the one you want to avoid completely, is what we call competing opportunities. And competing opportunities, for instance, if you're in a network marketing company or home business, direct sales of any sort, a competing opportunity would be someone competing or selling multiple companies. So for instance, let's say you're in a network marketing company A over here, and then you have network marketing company B here, and you're promoting both. And you think, well, you know, not everybody wants my health and wellness product, but they might want my travel related product. Now, on the face of that, it seems like, okay, well, that's, you know, that makes sense. However, they're competing opportunities because they both pay on the same thing. So if you're trying to build a team over here and trying to build a team over here, you're really not putting all your focus into one like you should. And the biggest problem is people have the mindset and they think, well, not everybody's going to want this and not everybody's going to want that. But here's the problem. You don't need everybody over here and you don't need everybody over here. The riches are in the niches. So focus in on one, find the people who are interested in the one and put all your energy into the one, and that's where you want to go. So what happens is when you use competing opportunities, you're not going to be able to put all your all into one, and quite frankly, you're going to confuse the people on each side. So, you know, you start building a team over here, people are going to be like, well, so-and-so is doing this as well, and, you know, I'm going to try that. And if you've ever learned one thing, is that I've seen people who are a jack of all trades and master of none. And you don't want to be that. So competing opportunities, because they are paid virtually the same way on multiple levels, they are what we call competing. Okay. And it's not a good idea. All right. So what you want to look for, if you want to build multiple streams, you want to build non-competing income streams. Okay. So let me give you an example. Let's say you're building a health and wellness company. That's your main opportunity. All right. Now what you want to do, instead of trying to promote a second opportunity, promote things like tools, training, resources, things that can actually assist others in building their business. Okay. Now, depends on who you're targeting, but the thing is that let's say you're promoting your health and wellness, and there's somebody else that is also promoting a health and wellness. And instead of trying to convince them to come over to your thing, you could say, hey, what are you doing to build your business? You could then, say, what about an autoresponder? Are you using an autoresponder? And if they say no, now you can give them your affiliate link to an Aweber autoresponder. And if you're not sure what an autoresponder is, it's basically the ability to build an email list, and then you can market to that list over and over. So promoting an autoresponder is not a competing income stream with your main opportunity, and it could also potentially enhance someone else. But you also get to make a commission off of that because you referred it to somebody. Or maybe you want to promote a lead generation system, maybe something like ClickFunnels or My Lead System Pro, or, there's plenty of others out there. Okay. And you want to promote that. Now that does not compete with a main opportunity because it is just simply a system, one tier, affiliate commissions, and that's it. It doesn't compete with a multi-level thing or a multi-level type structure. Okay. And once you just refer somebody to it, you make a commission on it. It's also, that's how you can build that multiple streams of income. So you could be making money off of a lead generation system, off of an autoresponder. Maybe you're promoting a CRM, and if somebody signs up for that, you make a commission on that as well. So you've got multiple streams coming in. Okay, and I'm just using this as an example. You know, this could be used in pretty much any business, any type of business, but in essence, you're basically using non-competing. So think about it. If I was to, build a bookstore and create a bookstore with one name, and then I put another bookstore over here, it's competing against each other, and that's not what we want. We want to be, really honed in and focused on one. So the way it becomes a distraction is if you're trying to promote competing opportunities. And that is where, especially in the online world, it can become the distraction. And I don't want that distraction for you. Okay, so if you're looking to build multiple streams of income, find what is your main opportunity, your main product, the main thing that you're promoting, and then identify the non-competing income streams that you can promote, the peripherals that would help you to build that one opportunity, and then potentially other people, how they might want to be able to do that as well, okay? And you can apply this to any niche, okay? So that's it, basically. This is what you do to avoid allowing multiple streams of income to become a distraction. It is a very legit thing. You do want to build multiple streams of income. You just have to make sure you're doing it the right way. So, did you get value from this? If you did, do me a favor and look down below and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know your thoughts. And also, I do have a PDF that I have for you that is the 5 best ways to make money from home. So if you have an interest in that, make sure you check the link in the description of this video. If you're on my blog, look right below this video and you'll see that button. Click it, enter in your information, and I'll send it right over to you. All right? Have a great one, and make sure you share this if you got value. Bye-bye.